What's up, everybody? Welcome to Twisted Angle Garage. In this video we're going to do a walk around and take a test drive in the 66 C10. We finished doing the Vintage Air AC kit install on it, so now we're going to walk around and check it out. I'll tell you any problems I had, which really wasn't any. I take my time on a lot of things because I like to hide things, stuff like that. It could be done a lot faster than what I did it. You could do it in a couple of days probably by yourself. But either way, let's walk around and check it out and see how it functions. Make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends. Here we go. The kit comes with this really good bracket. It's a really good kit. It comes with a bunch of spacers though, so lay them out in order and then start to put it all together and it will go a lot easier. It's fairly simple putting the lines through. Heater boxes here, you take all that out and this plate goes in there, it goes through there, another plate goes up there to cover that up. And then it opens all that space up. Your heater control valve. My wiring runs through the core support, and circuit breaker and stuff is back behind here, hidden. The relays for both cooling fans are hidden back here behind that. It's got a small cooling fan I put on the condenser to help keep it cold. Runs on a trinary switch on the dryer, which controls compressor and the fan. Truck does have its own cooling fan for the radiator. You can see everything is pretty well concealed up under the dash. It's got these vents that run along the bottom. Another one over on the other side. Get the glove box open. There's a little glove box insert that goes in here. It has a little hump right here because it goes over the heater box that's behind the dash. And this particular one has got a digital control on it, which is really nice. It's easy to use, easy to program. But, everything's fairly easy to put in. See, looking up under the dash, you can see the blower motor on the bottom of the dash. There was a big mess of wiring under here that I cleaned up. You can see on the driver's side, it's got this little dash vent here.